In this video, we'll show you how to use the course player on LIQUORexam.com. The course player is where you'll complete your training lessons, track your progress, and move through your certification step by step. Don't worry, it's designed to be simple and easy to use. Let's get started. After you've created your account, purchased your training, or logged back in as a returning user, you'll land on your profile page. By default, you'll be on the My Courses tab, where all of the courses you're enrolled in are listed. To begin, look for the blue Click to Start button. If you've already started your training and are coming back to continue, the button will say Click to Resume. Simply click that to pick up right where you left off. If this is your first time accessing the training, you'll be asked to review the Student Enrollment Agreement. Take a moment to read through the terms, and once you're ready, simply click the green I agree button at the bottom of the page. This step is required before you can begin your training. This is the course player. This is where you'll complete your training from start to finish. On this screen, you'll see the training content, and at the bottom, you'll find your navigation controls. In the next slides, we'll go over the features of the course player so you'll know exactly how to move through your training with confidence. The Help button takes you to our FAQs page. Here, you'll find answers to many common questions about your training, our system, and your course. Clicking the Documents button will take you to any files or resources related to your course. Clicking the Profile button will return you to your profile page. Clicking Exit Course will take you back to your My Courses page. If you click Menu, the Course Navigation menu will open, letting you move between different sections of the training. This is the Expanded Course menu. Any lessons or slides you've completed will show a green check mark. You can't skip ahead. All content must be taken in order. If you ever get lost, go back to the last lesson or slide with a green check mark to pick up where you left off. To see a list of lessons included in the training, click the drop-down menu. This will display all the lessons you'll complete as part of your course. At the bottom of the course player, you'll see the slide number you're on and the total number of slides in the training. Next to the slide number, you'll see the time remaining. This shows how many seconds are left on the slide you're currently viewing. Once the timer reaches 0, a green button labeled Go to Next Slide will appear. Click that button to move forward in your training. At the bottom of the player, you'll see 3 additional buttons. The circular arrow button lets you replay the audio for the current slide. The speaker icon allows you to mute or unmute the audio. When muted, you'll see a line through it. And the blue back button will take you to the previous slide. Now you've learned how to use the course player on LIQUORexam.com. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your training and your career. And remember, we're always here when you need us.